Lesson 5. What blockchain actually solves. Blockchain doesn't solve every problem, but it solves one very important issue: verification. In traditional systems, users usually have to trust institutions, banks, exchanges, and other intermediaries store the records. When you interact with the system, you rely on them to maintain those records correctly. Most users cannot independently verify full history of transactions. Blockchain changes this structure. In blockchain system, records are shared across a network to participants. Everyone sees the same data and follows the same rules. This means that the information can be verified by participants themselves. Instead of relying on blind trust, the system allows verification. This is the key difference. Blockchain doesn't eliminate institutions or human decisions, but it changes how records can be stored, shared, and verified. In simple words, blockchain allows people to verify records instead of simply trusting intermediaries. In the next lesson, we will explain what a token is and how tokens represent participation in a system.